I would like to demonstrate in this short video how to grant online access to College Office to a person in the database, in the system, whether it be an administrator, a student, or an instructor. So let us go to our list of people and select somebody maybe who does not have access already, maybe Jack Forth here, and actually his access, he does have online access. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to revoke online access to an individual who has online access. So here he has a primary email address, which is absolutely required in order to be able to have online access, and his online access is enabled as it is indicated here, and his username is jforth. So to manage the access of a person, I click the access button here on the lower part of the screen. In this case, I'm just simply going to delete this username. Now, this is something you would normally never do. I'm just doing it here because I want to show you how to give online access to somebody who doesn't have it. So I'm going to totally take away online access from this person. Delete the username, confirmation, yes, and then here's another message to tell you this is something you would normally not do, but it's okay, I'm going to go ahead and do it. So now we are back in the situation where an individual has an email address but does not have online access. So when I want to give or grant to this person online access, I go back here to the access button, and the system is going to suggest to me a username for this individual. I can modify that. I can try to give another one. If I happen to give a username that already exists and is assigned to somebody else, then the system will let me know. The one that the system creates is guaranteed to be unique and not to already be assigned to somebody else in the database. So if I accept this, I'm simply going to create a username. The system asks me, do you want to create the username? Yes. Do you want to email to this person then your credentials? And of course you say yes. Once you do this, you get a small message here to let you know that the new credential will shortly be emailed to this individual, and he should receive his credential within 5 minutes of you doing this. Now, having given online access is only part of the process, because I also need to define what role is this person going to have when they log into the system. So here I see that I had already assigned to this person the role of being a student. Now the place where I would define the role is through the edit button here on the lower right, and then I would click to roles, and here I can either remove a role. Let's say I'm going to take away the student role, so I click on it and I'm just going to simply say delete, and maybe I want to assign to them another role. I'm going to say, well, actually this person is going to be an instructor, and when they log in, I want them to be able to log in as an instructor. So as an instructor, they're going to see something different than a student would see. As an instructor, when they log in, they will see all the classes they teach, and then they will be able to take attendance, or we call it final grades, for all the classes they teach. And then I click save, and so now I have given to Jack Forth online access to the system. He has received an email informing him of a temporary password and of his username, and when he logs in, he will be considered to be an instructor and will see the appropriate information for his role. And this is it for setting up online access for an individual of the database.